So this is how you change a battery for an Apple AirTag. So it gives you an actual tutorial, which is pretty nice, but a tutorial is different than actually seeing and doing it with your own fingers. So it kind of shows like press down, so put some pressure on the actual stainless steel side, and then you push down and then you twist counterclockwise. You want the stainless steel portion to go counterclockwise, and while you're pushing down on that, you want to twist the bottom portion on the white side clockwise. So I'm going to show you here. It's kind of like twisting off an Oreo. So you can see that opens up, and then you got a CR2032 or a standard watch battery in this. Put pressure on with both your thumbs and then twist it. So you can see that twisted. So that's twisting it out, and then this is twisting it back on. So not sure if you can see that, but it's very, very slight twist. But there, it's back on, and then we're good to go.